Hello everyone, I am Wulandari Sidaputar, a sixth semester management student. This video is created to fulfill the assessment for the computer application course 2 by Mr. Sudung Simatupang. Today, I am going to give you a complete tutorial on how to use Mendeley for automatic citation. So let's get straight to it. As you can see, I have already prepared several types of reference sources that we commonly use in our management assessments. Journal articles, but international and CINTA accredited. Conference proceeding, there's of dissertation, and also a book in PDF format. Now we are going to migrate there's built into Mendeley so we can manage there's metadata. Next, I will document how to add their fields to Mendeley automatically, but we'll do it one by one to ensure the accuracy of the data. I'm going to show you the standard way to add journal reference using the Add Files menu. This method is highly recommended so we can select our files more precisely. First step, click that adds or adds new button in the top left corner the Mendeley application. Then select the Add Files option. When the file browser window appears, I pick them one by one. For this first one, I select CINTA journal file. Click the file and then click open. Alright, the file is now in our list. Now, let's check the detail in the right-hand panel. Even though we add it automatically via add files, we still need to verify the data overlay. Type, make sure journal article is selected. Title and other, user the title and other names match the PDF documents. Journal identity, double click the journal name, publication year, volume, and issue number. Remember, when or accuracy at the sticks will determine how needs or bibliography will be Microsoft Word later. Now, for the other two journal, whether in international journal or another national one, the steps are exactly the same. We still use the add file feature for the same metadata check. So I just show you the quick processor. Okay. Now, all three of the journal are ready in the library. Now that the journal are the all set. Now that the journal are all set, let's move on the next file. The converse proceeding, or what we usually call seminar proceeding. Just like before, we click Add New, Select File, from computer, and I choose the proceeding file already prepared. Click Open and wait a moment for the upload proceeding to finish. Now, everyone, please pay close attention to the funnel on the right. The part is absolutely crucial for proceeding. Something Mendeley automatically detects this journal article intents of proceeding. If that's happen, we must manually change the type of converse proceeding. Why? So that the bibliography for format will be correct and consistent later on. For proceeding, make sure the elements are filled in. Title and author, just like with journal, user the title and author names accurate. Proceeding title, this informant done for a journal name here, and then enter the name of the seminar of conference. For example, proceeding of the International Conference of Management. Year and city, don't forget to include the year and the city where the seminar was held if the information is available. Next, we are going to add the reference. The process remains the process remains same. Click Add New, select the file, and click Open. Let's wait for the import to finish. Now, let's check the column on the right. Please make sure and the select type is thesis. There is one additional column that we must pay attention to here. Where is the university files? Ensure the original university's name written in full. Don't forget to also check the year and department fields if they are available. Having complete data is very important so that score contextual looks credible and the source clearly show which institute it belongs to. Finally, we are going to add a book as our reference. Just like the previous step, we click Add New, select the book file, and click Open. Let's wait for the file to appear in our library. Now, let's check the detail in the right-hand panel. Make sure the select type is book. In addition to the title and author, make sure the publish and year fill and are filled in. If the information available in the book, it's good idea to also manually complete the city and edition fields. The sure or citation is perfect and follow proper speaks ring standards. Besides document files, we sometimes use quality video from YouTube as reference. From this king of source, we will and the information manually. The process simple. Click Add New, the select and enter manually. In the TV section, change into film and video. Next, fill in the request data. Title, enter the title of the YouTube video. Author, enter the creator name or the channel name. Publication, type in YouTube, year, the year the video was uploaded, URL. Don't forget to copy and paste the video link into the URL fields. This is important to the letter can verify and the authenticity of the source. Now, I will show you how to manually add a reference from the web page. The steps are click Add New, then select an entry manually. In the TP session, make sure session web page. The information we need to complete is the title of the article of the web page, the author name. If there is no person author, you can use the organization name, for example, BPS Indonesia. Publication website, enter the name of the website, the year the article was published, URL and essence data, paste the full link and don't forget to include the data you essence the website as online content can change over time. Finally, I share a specific trick. What is we find a very relevant journal but is behind a paywall. Don't worry, we can get the data into Mendeley. The first method is to download only the metadata. Look for export or city bottom on the website. Choose the RIS or BIP text format. Destiny file contains all the journal information without without the actual PDF. Just add this file to Mendeley via add files, and the data will populate automatically. But what if we still need to the file contents? You can copy the DOI of the journal and use a tool like SCI Hub. When the PDF is essential, you download it and upload into Mendeley using the add file method. The sources link. By combining RIS, HIP text for metadata and SCI hook from the document, there's no reason to miss out on high quality reference just because of access issue. Now, what if our source is a physical book and her book with no PDF file available? Don't worry, Mendeley can still handle it. Here now, click Add New. Then select an entry manually. Since in a physical book, make sure the type is set a book we need to manually type and the details from the books. Title page. Title, enter the full title of the book. Author, type the author name. Remember, use the last name first name format. For example, Kotler Phillips. The year was published. Publisher, the name of the publisher company. City and edition. For physical book, these two are very important. Enter the city of publish and the specific edition of the book. Even talks the in no PDF icon and Mendeley, the data is now saved as a reference. So when we see it and word later, the format will be perfect and follow scientific standard. Next, I will demonstrate how to set the different levels of theory for operation management. I have already preferred the question on the screen. Let's connect them with Mendeley. In the first paragraph, we have my grand theory. I am citing the definition of operation management from the book by J. Haber and Barry Rader. This theory serves as a major foundation for how production activities and value creation are managed. I select this book in Mendeley sheet and click insert session. Next, we move to the middle ring theory. Here, I am using the supply chain management theory by Sunil Chopra. This theory connects operation managed with the distribution flow of goods to the customer. Again, we click insert on the corresponding reference. Finally, we have the applied theory. This is the first practical theory that directly discusses my research variable, which is involved theory management. I am reversing back to Hager and Reader for the technical aspects regarding safety stock and inventory actions. Let's click insert one last time. So that the complete tutorial on using Mendeley to support or researching methodology assessment. We cover everything for importing journal, proceeding and physical books to systematic mapping or the to stress capture too. I hope this tutorial is help and enables everyone to procedure neater and more credible academic works. Remember, attention to detail in reference management is the key to high quality research. I am Wulandari Sidaputar. Thank you for attention and good luck with you and assessment. See you.